Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start while the bike or car is cold, safety first. Put on gloves and eye protection and tape off sensors and fragile parts. Use a soft brass brush to knock loose grime, then apply isopropyl 70% or a mild detergent mix. Scrub gently with a microfiber. You want to break down oils without abrading the titanium's oxide layer, so keep pressure moderate. Once done, rinse with low-pressure water and dry immediately with a clean microfiber to prevent stains. Now tackle heat discoloration. Choose a titanium-safe polish or jeweler's rouge and avoid abrasive aluminum compounds that can leave contamination. You work in small sections. Apply polish and use firm, circular strokes with a clean pad, then buff with a microfiber to inspect results. For blue or purple heat stains, progress from coarser to finer polish, think 0.51 micron steps, because gradual refinement restores the oxide without scratching. Make sure to remove residue between steps so you can judge true color return. Finish by applying a thin layer of ceramic or metal-specific sealant. This slows reoxidation and makes future cleaning easier, and follow the product cure time. Make sure exhaust mounting hardware is secure. Vibrations can wear finishes quickly. If you see pitting or deep scratches that polish won't fix, consider professional reanodize or replacement. Polishing can't restore metal loss. If something goes wrong and sensors misread afterward, reseat connectors, inspect wiring, and clear fault codes to verify the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.